Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is Friday, Friday afternoon, June 4th. Happy Friday to you. It is going to be a beautiful, beautiful weekend. I'm going to give everybody a few minutes to join in here, and I'm going to be making, so stay tuned, I'm going to be making a watermelon tequila cocktail. So I think the notification just went out, so I think I am, everyone can see me now. Hello, Joel. Hello, thanks for joining me. I see lots of people joining. Happy Friday. Hello, Sabrina. Hope all is well. Hope everything's good in Arizona, Joel. And let's see. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you are watching me on the replay, if you can put hashtag replay. And hello, Brenda. Hello, Jason. Hello, Catherine. Thank you everybody for watching me. Just a quick reminder, our salmon sale is still going. I do have a couple of cases of salmon still available. And it is 10-pound cases for $150, so it's $14.99 a pound. They are frozen, individually cryovac. I do have a few cases available. They're coming in tomorrow. And if it goes really well and we have more people call, I can order more for next week and you can pick up on Tuesday. So hello, Tammy down in Florida. And hello. Thanks everybody for watching me. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. I always go through what our specials are for the week. $9.99 crab mac and cheese to go. That is available till Sunday. And Sunday's special is our shrimp scampi to go. Our to-go orders have kind of dwindled down. We don't have as many as we used to have, but we are still doing takeout. So if you still want takeout, you can still order takeout. When it is nice outside, we are only doing outside seating. When it is rainy, we will do inside seating. So for instance, this weekend it's supposed to be in the 90s. We're gonna only do outdoor seating and bar seating, I believe. Bar seating and outside seating. And let's see, right now it just started drizzling out there. I know they're supposed to be closing the roads. They haven't quite closed yet. I can hear the cars going by. But stay tuned, the roads should be, let's see, the roads should be closing the next hour or so we can do dining on the street. But we also have our beautiful garden available. So chances are we'll seat most people in the garden this evening as soon as it clears up out there. We do have a tent outside. And we'd love to seat you outside. So hello Maveen, hello Jim. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Let's see, what else can I tell you? I'm trying to think what else I could tell you today. So let's see. Oh, we have frozen margaritas and frozen daiquiris to go. We can do those in the garden. We can do those to go. And you do not have to buy food now for to-go orders, which is great. I mean, you do not have to buy food for to-go orders on alcohol. And we can make lots of different flavors of the margarita or the daiquiri frozen. So it's gonna be a great weekend for a frozen drink. So come on in. We open today at 5, tomorrow and Sunday at 3. We have our wine dinner on Monday night. It will be out in the garden. Marcus has 2 Sauvignon Blancs from different parts of the world, so you can taste those. We definitely have a Côte de Rhône as well, right, Marcus? And then I'm not sure what the 4th wine's going to be, but we do have availability still available, 647-3000 to make reservations for our wine dinner in the garden on Monday. And that's it. So, all right. So I am going to muddle. I cut up some fresh pineapple today. I'm going to muddle that with a little bit of agave, just a little. I'm gonna muddle that up and get some fresh juice out of there. You could also take watermelon and you can blend it. So put it in a blender and get the juice out of it. You can juice the watermelon, you can put it in a blender. You can make this drink frozen if you'd like. You can just muddle it like I'm doing. So you can see that it's muddled and you can see all the juice in there. And there's a lot of distractions going on here today. It's hard for me to hear. So I'm sorry about that. Lots of phones ringing today, lots of people coming in and out. So it's a little bit distracting. So I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I am going to pour the watermelon juice into my shaker. Get all that juice out. And I am going to add a couple of splashes of lime juice. I am going to add tequila. I'm going to add about 2 ounces of tequila.
Give me 1 second, I'll put this out for you, but I have to ask.
And then I am going to shake it with ice. Get it nice and cold. I'm going to put ice in my glass. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to put my mint in there. So let's see. So I'm going to add my mint. I'm just going to break up my mint. I'm going to shake it real good with mint. So we have tequila. We have fresh watermelon juice. I have lime juice. I have agave and some mint in there. And I'm going to take this now and I am going to pour it into my glass. Oh my goodness, look how delicious that is. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. I'm gonna put a little bit more watermelon.
All right, give me 1 second to put it in, okay?
All right, and there you have it. Your tequila watermelon cocktail. Let's see, Jim, no mas tequila. You must have drank a lot of tequila. He was just in Mexico. So I guess, hello, hope you're back. I think you're back, or I think you're on your way back. I'm gonna taste this. Let's see how this tastes. That is yummy. I'm gonna put a splash of soda on top. And there we go, my watermelon tequila cocktail.
And I'll be right back.
That's nice, it's refreshing, great on a nice warm day. You can make pictures of this for parties. You can muddle or puree the watermelon and then make a big pitcher and put it out as a punch. It is really delicious. One of my first times making this. You can make it into a margarita. You can do lots of cool things with it, but I appreciate everybody watching me today. Sorry, I feel a little distracted. There's a lot of stuff going on in here today. And $9.99 special for the week, crab mac and cheese to go. $9.99 special for Sunday is a shrimp scampi to go with, I believe it comes with rice and broccoli. And our $34.99 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go is still available. And don't forget about our wine dinner on Monday. Hope everybody is awesome. And we're gonna go watch Justin play baseball on Sunday. We're heading up north. We'll probably check out a winery while we're up there. We'll be near Seneca Lake. And we're excited. He's back to playing baseball. They have their first games tonight up in Newark, New York. So wish them well, the Jamestown Tarp Skunks. Super exciting. And that is it. Cheers to everybody, and I will see you maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll get a Facebook Live in tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody.